In this video, we're going to learn how to access a software called Active Reading via the TAFE Library Services portal. So the first thing I'm going to do is to type in TAFE Library Services and do a Google search. And you can see that Library Services is the first link that's come up there. I'll click on that. And then in the Library Services portal, I will choose e-resources A to Z. I'm looking for Clarity English, which starts with a C, and so I click C here, and you find Clarity English down there. Now it asks me to log into e-resources of the library, so I'm going to use my TAFE login and password. It says that the e-resources login has been successful, so I'll click here to continue. As you can see, Clarity English has got 5 different kinds of software, but what we are looking for is Active Reading. Now at this stage, once the Active Reading software opens up, it'll either ask you to sign in or register. It is a good idea to register using your TAFE login and password in advance, so you can just get in as a user. But at this instance, we are going to use a guest account because I just want to show you how to access Active Reading. As you can see, this is Active Reading, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different levels of English that you can study at. I'm going to choose intermediate because that's where we have 2 units about using dictionaries. So elementary being the lowest, we're not going to choose that. Intermediate is this third one here, and as you can see, unit number 6 is I love my dictionary. I'm going to click on this and then listen to a video about what you're going to learn in the unit.
In this unit, we'll look at dictionaries. We'll look at some of the ways a dictionary can help you and some of the skills you need to use a dictionary effectively.
All right.
For example,
I'm not going to continue with that.
Sentences
I'm going to move
in a
on
dictionary
to
can help you, and you'll practice looking up words that you